Hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome to Ecoholics, the largest platform of economics. I am Nidhi Sharma, your faculty of economics, and I welcome you all to our today's live session on YouTube. How are you all? How is your preparation going on? How is everything going on? All fine? I hope everything is fine. So today we are going to start with the concept. We are going to discuss the PYQs on the topic production function and concept of cost. Okay. So we are already done. We are actually running a series on microeconomics where we are discussing the microeconomics PYQs of NTA UGC NET economics examination. And today we are going to discuss the topic production function. You know, production function is a very important topic of economics and of especially of your NTA UGC NET examination. And the concept of cost is also something that we are going to include in this today's live session. Okay. So please remember one important thing, that as I'll be presenting you the questions, what you have to do, you have to just see the question, think about the answer, and you have to write your answer in the chat box of YouTube. Okay, so that I can know that what are you all answering me. Okay, so let's keep it interactive. Let's discuss these things and let's begin with the first question for today. Here is the first question. When there is a constant returns to scale, then the production function is described as number A, linearly homogeneous production function, B, homogeneous production function of degree 2, and C is the non-homogeneous production function, and D would be none of these. So what should be the answer for this question? We are talking about constant returns to scale. Okay, CRS. We are discussing about CRS. So what will be my production function? It will be a linear homogeneous production function, homogeneous production of degree 2, non-homogeneous production function, or none of these. What will be the answer to this question? Tell me. Tell me. Constant returns to scale. What does it mean? The rate with which you will be increasing your inputs, the output will increase by the same rate. So the returns on your inputs are same. If we increase our input by, let's say, 10%, our output will also increase by 10%. Okay, so this is your CRS, constant returns to scale. Option A. Very good, very good, very good. I've got many correct answers. Very nice. This is a linear homogeneous production function because we are talking about CRS. Here the CRS, the production function's value is equals to 1 in case of CRS, greater than 1 in case of IRS, and less than 1 in case of DRS. Okay. So it will be a linear homogeneous production function. Very good. Well done. Now this is the second question. In Cobb-Douglas production function, elasticity of factor substitution is equal to what? 0, infinity, 1, or it will be 0 to 1. What will be the value? The Cobb-Douglas production function, elasticity of factor substitution is equal to 0, infinity, 1, or it will be between 0 to 1. What should be the value? Just as you have given me the right answer for the first question, give me the right answer for the second question as well. Today, in the day 3 of our discussion, let's make this day very productive and positive for us with solving the maximum number of questions as correct. Okay, I've got received some replies. Okay. Always remember, in a Cobb-Douglas production function, elasticity of factor substitution is always equal to 1. Always it will be equal to 1. In a Cobb-Douglas production function, elasticity of substitution is equal to 1. in case of CES production function, that is constant elasticity of substitution production function, there we have a certain elasticity of substitution that is constant value. It can be anything, it is not necessarily one. But in case of Cobb-Douglas production function, the elasticity of substitution value would be 1. Okay, clear? Moving on to the next question. Can we move on to the next question? A change in relative price of two goods with the level of satisfaction remaining the same is related to option A, income effect, option B, substitution effect, option C, price effect, option D, none of these. What will be the right answer? A change in the relative price of the two goods with the level of satisfaction remaining the same is related to what? Tell me, what should be the right answer? Acha, just one suggestion I have for all of you, those who are attending the live stream. When you are writing down the answer, do one thing. Let's suppose you have question number 3. Then write 3 and then write down the option that is the right answer. Okay. Because this will be easier for me to understand your answer is for which question. Because sometimes there is a lag as well. So in that case, it will be easier for me to understand. A change in relative price of two goods. Relative price of two goods are changing with the level of satisfaction remaining the same, but the utility that we are getting, the level of satisfaction that we are getting is remaining same. What should be the right answer for this question? It is which effect? Income effect, substitution effect, price effect, or none of these? What should be the answer? Please share your answer. Okay, I have received some right answers. Very good. It's all about substitution effect because we are substituting between one good to other due to change in relative price of the two goods. So definitely it is related to the substitution effect. This is something uh, that you can understand. There's a trick to understand. Okay, this is a short trick. So whenever we talk about the change in relative price of two goods, that means we are actually talking about substitution effect. Okay, this is a way how you can remember it as well. Many students have given me 3B answer. Very nice, very nice. Okay, moving on to the next question. Now this is the match the following question. You have been given list 1 and list 2 on the left hand side and the codes are given on the right hand side. Now you have to match list 1 with the list 2. The first one, the list 1 is input output isoquant. Number B, CES production function. Number C, duopoly model. Number D, King demand curve. And in list 2, we have Arrow and Chenery, Leontiev, Paul Sweezy and Cournot. Tell me, how can we get the right match? You have to match list 1 with list 2. Okay. Let's see what answer you all are giving me. Question number 4. What will be the right answer? This is a very easy question actually. Just by matching one element, you can get the right answer. Okay, I have received one right answer. What about others? Okay, very nice. Well done. Well done. Very good. So option B is the right one. King demand curve is actually the one which you can match with Paul Sweezy. We all know King demand curve was given by Paul Sweezy. So even if you don't know the others, D is with 3 only in option B. This will be your right one. But still, I am discussing the other as well. Input output isoquant was actually given by Arrow and Chenery. Sorry, Leontief. Input output isoquant is something that is related to your Leontief. Okay. CES production function. We have SMAC in CES production function. Solo, Minhas, Arrow and Chenery. SMAC. This is an abbreviation that I use. I often suggest my students for remembering the names of the economists associated with CES production function. SMAC. Solo, Minhas, Arrow and Chenery. So Arrow and Chenery with CES production function. Duopoly model, definitely Cournot. Cournot's duopoly model we study. Okay, and king demand curve, we all know the very famous one, Paul Sweezy. Okay, so this is your right answer. Coming to question number 5, an increase in supply of a commodity causes what? The supply of a commodity has increased. So what will happen? This would lead to an increase in equilibrium price and increase in equilibrium quantity, or a decrease in equilibrium price and increase in equilibrium quantity. An increase in equilibrium price and decrease in equilibrium quantity, or a decrease in equilibrium price and decrease in equilibrium quantity. What will happen if there is an increase in the supply of commodity? What will it cause? Increase in supply of commodity. Ashay is asking, ma'am, is this useful for the state PCS exam also? Definitely, Ashay, I would suggest you this economics is useful for all the examinations, and what we are discussing is overall of economics. See, UGC NET is the mother syllabus. You know, you have everything of economics in the UGC NET syllabus. So if you are solving questions on a certain topic, definitely it helps you in preparing for UGC NET along with the other exams as well, other related exams as well. Okay, well done. I'm getting few correct answers from you all. Very good. Pranay, very nice. Craft and culture, very good. Ankit, very good. So increase in supply of a commodity actually causes a decrease in the equilibrium price and increase in equilibrium quantity. Supply of the commodity has increased. Definitely when we have excess supply, equilibrium price falls down. Excess supply would lead to fall in prices, and equilibrium quantity will increase because prices have fallen down, demand will rise and it will match the increased supply. So your equilibrium quantity will also be equal to the supply. Okay, very nice. So we have discussed many important questions, and I feel that you are finding these live sessions to be very helpful for your preparation, and it's very informative and productive as well. So definitely you can join our batch at Ecoholics, where we provide interactive live classes for paper 2 with recorded access for paper 2. We offer you 5 days of class a week and proper self study and revision time as well. We often provide you weekly test for testing your progress, and we often we provide many such features that makes Ecoholics exclusively important for a student's preparation of competitive examinations, especially UGC NET. Okay, so definitely you can go ahead and try our batches. You can definitely join us for your preparation, and rest be assured we are going to provide you best quality education itself. Okay, so you can just read it, whatever are the batch features that we provide you all, and it's really it's very fruitful and productive. Our classes are really very productive. Okay, and you will definitely like them as well. Yes, Pranay, the way supply increases, equilibrium quantity increases, because see, supply increases, and to match the increased supply, obviously supply increases, price falls down. As price falls down, demand increases, and it matches the increased supply, hence the equilibrium quantity increases, because the equilibrium will be at that quantity which is having increased supply and increased demand. Okay. Yes, we are studying economics. Now, economic cost consists of, options are implicit cost, explicit cost, normal profit. Economic cost consists of, tell me what? Implicit cost, explicit cost, or normal profit? Education with Rishabh. And Rishabh, let me be very, very clear. Just now I have explained twice the question. Okay, I'm giving you exclusive explanation, explicit explanation for all the questions. You just have to be focused and please keep attending. You will understand everything. Okay, you don't need to worry for that. Okay, just now the question that we had, I've explained it twice or thrice. Okay, Pranay, Ashay, very good, excellent. Ramat, correct, very nice. So, economic cost actually consists of implicit cost, explicit cost, and normal profit. All three are a part of economic cost. 1, 2, and 3, all of them will be a part of your economic cost. Implicit cost, explicit cost are both the types of cost which we consider, whether the cost is internal to the firm or whether it is external to the firm, implicit and explicit cost, or the normal profit as well, that is also considered as an economic cost. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3 are the correct answers. Now, question number 7. Opportunity cost refers to what? Option A, money expenses incurred on factors, the imputed value of the inputs owned by the firms, next best alternative, or none of these. What should be the right answer? Tell me the answer for question number 7. Ashay, the questions on GDP, GNP, in fact, I would be discussing everything. You just be with me, attend the classes daily. One by one, we are going to hold the topics and we are going to practice it completely. Okay, so you don't need to worry. Uh, Everything will be done. You will be all sorted. Just what you have to do, catch me at 7 p.m. on Ecoholics live, and your all doubts will be clear. Okay, all of you are telling me C. Okay, great. Craft and culture, Ashay, Dania, Nusrat, Ramat, Sanjay, Pranay. Okay, yes. Opportunity cost refers to the next best alternative. This is the correct one. This is the correct one. Opportunity cost definitely refers to the next best alternative. Okay? Opportunity cost refers to the next best alternative of, like, suppose you have some factor of production. It can be used for producing two commodities. If you are producing commodity A, you are not producing commodity B. So that is your opportunity cost, the next best alternative that you are doing. Okay, chalo. One more example we can take and relate to the opportunity cost. Suppose you have taken commerce in your plus 2, you didn't take science. So that is your opportunity cost. The cost, the next best alternative that you have foregone to take, to choose commerce. So science would be your opportunity cost of opting for commerce. Okay. The point at which total product stops increasing at increasing rate and starts increasing at decreasing rate is called what? Break-even point, shutdown point, inflection point, or none of these? What will be the right answer? The point at which total product stops increasing at increasing rate. Total product stops increasing at increasing rate and starts increasing at a decreasing rate. So whenever you will read any such question, the first thing that you will do is you will draw a diagram. So I'll just draw a freehand diagram of the TP curve. What can I see? This curve is first increasing at an increasing rate, then it is increasing at a decreasing rate, it is reaching its maximum point, and then it is falling down, it is declining. So according to this, here, roughly here, we have a point after which the curve changes its slope. This TP curve is changing its slope. What is this particular point called as? The point after which the TP curve changes its slope. Tell me, what will be the answer? Question number 8. Very good, very good. Yes, Asha, I am taking daily classes. Very nice. You all have given me the right answer. It is actually the inflection point. Very nice. Excellent. Craft and culture, Sanjay, Pranay, Ashay, Dania. Very good. Inflection point. Next question. In CES production function, elasticity of factor substitution is what? Tell me. Just now I was discussing, a few minutes back I was discussing about the CES production function as well, along with the Cobb-Douglas production function. So if you were attentive in the during this live session, then you must be able to answer it correctly. Tell me the correct answer for question number 9. So I'm receiving few answers from you all. Acha, you don't know the answer. Don't worry. Just in few minutes you'll know the answer. I'll be telling you what is the right answer. So Ramat, Sanjay and Danya Nusrat is telling me that option A would be the right answer. But no, very sorry, you are wrong. It is not unity. See, understand this concept very clearly. Ramat, Sanjay and Danya. You often get confused by the name itself. CES means constant elasticity of substitution. So from this term constant you think it to be 1, but that is not correct. Elasticity of factor substitution would be 1 in case of Cobb-Douglas production function. In case of CES production function, it can take any positive constant value. It is not necessarily 1, not necessarily 1. Okay? It is not necessarily 1. It can take any positive constant value. Okay? Okay, Pranay and Jessica has given me the right answer. Fine. Okay, so D will be the right answer to this question. Okay, Ashay, got the concept? Question number 10. Which of the following is not associated with CES production function? Okay, which among them? Who is not associated with the CES production function? Just a few minutes back, I told you a mnemonic of remembering the names. If you remember that mnemonic, then you will be able to quickly solve this question correct. Tell me, what will be the right answer? Jessica, do one thing. Write the question number and then write the correct option. It will be easier for me to understand. Oh, thank you so much, Jishan. That's a really, really nice uh, compliment and feedback that you have provided me. I'm really happy that at Ecoholics we are able to help you with your economics preparation. So, others can definitely look at Jishan's feedback. Yes, very good. Correct answer. It is Harad. Harad is not associated with the CES production function. So the people who are associated are SMAC, Solo, Minhas, Arrow, and Chenery. These are the people who are associated with the CES production function. Here we don't have Harad's name anywhere. So Harad is the person who is not associated with the CES production function. Okay? Okay, very good. Ankit, Sanjay, Craft and Culture, Ashay, Rahmat, Suman, Dania, Gitanjali, very good. Now, the more nearly perfect a market is, the stronger is the tendency for the same price to be paid for the same thing at the same time in all parts of the market. The definition of perfect competition by. Okay, this is the definition of perfect competition. Now, you have to tell me which economist has given this definition of perfect competition. Please try this question. Please try question number 11. Please try question number 11. This definition of perfect competition was given by whom? Tell me what will be the answer for question number 7. For question number 11, sorry. What will be for question number 11? In initial stage, which subject we start for economics net? Uh, my recommendation would be to start with microeconomics, because microeconomics is one such unit that builds your platform for other units as well. So it would be a great idea to start with microeconomics. Even in my classes, the classes that I conduct, where I teach students, where I prepare them for the entire UGC NET examination, I have also started from the microeconomics unit itself. Currently our classes are going on, our batches are going on, and I am teaching microeconomics to them. After microeconomics would be done, we'll move on to the macroeconomics. So you can definitely join our classes as well if you want. Okay, so only one right answer I have received, that is from Craft and Culture. Very good. It will not be C. Jevons, it will actually be Professor Marshall. This definition of perfect competition was given by Professor Marshall. Okay, so please remember Gitanjali, Ashay, uh, Dania, Pranay, Ramat, Rafiq, everybody. Okay, so it will be Professor Marshall. MC is equals to MR and MR is equals to AR. What does it mean? MC is equals to MR and MR is equals to AR. Option A, the equilibrium position of a firm in the long period. Option B, the equilibrium position of the firm under imperfect competition in the short period. Option C, the equilibrium point of a firm under perfect competition. Option D, a short period equilibrium of a firm under perfect competition. This is a very easy question. This is a very easy question. MC is equals to MR and MR is equals to AR. Please recall, in which market do we have MC is equals to MR and MR is equals to AR is equals to price? The answer to question number 12 would be option C. Very good. All of you have given me the right answer. I have not got even a single wrong answer for this question. Very good. Excellent. Ankit, Dania, Ravi, Singhania, Ankit, Garima. Very good. The marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. Average cost is equal to average revenue. Average revenue is equal to marginal revenue, and average cost is equal to marginal cost. This is the concept. This is the condition of which market? Long period equilibrium for a firm under monopoly. Short period equilibrium of the firm under oligopoly. Long period equilibrium of a firm under perfect competition, or short period equilibrium of a firm under perfect competition. Tell me, what will be the right answer? Waiting for your answers. Everybody, please answer. What will be the answer for 13? Okay. So it will be a short period equilibrium of the firm under perfect competition. AR is equals to MR. Sorry, MC is equals to MR. AC is equals to AR. And AR is equals to MR. D. Very good. This is the basic condition. These are the basic conditions which you study in your basics of microeconomics. Which of the following statement is correct? A profit maximizing monopolist in different market will adjust his sales in the two markets so that his MR in each market is equal to his MC. A profit maximizing monopolist in separate market will not adjust his sales. A profit maximizing monopolist will adjust his sales in the two markets so that his MR in each market will be greater than MC. And the profit maximizing firm in separate market will adjust his sales in each market so that his MR is less than MC, or number D, all of the above. Tell me the answer of this question. Please tell me the answer of this question 14. What will be the answer of 14? Okay, I've started getting answers. It will be A. the profit maximizing monopolist in different market will adjust his sales in two markets, so that his MR is, each market is equal to his MC. So he will try to equate his MR with the MC. Okay, MR is equals to MC will be the condition. First is this. Okay, along with that, a profit maximizing monopolist will adjust his sales in two markets, so that MR in each market will be greater than the MC, so that he can earn more revenue as compared to his cost, because he's a profit maximizing monopolist. So 1 and 3 would be your right answer. Okay, 1 and 3 would be your right answer. In the long run, due to blocked entry, pure profit can be made by whom? Okay, we are talking about long run and the entry is blocked. So pure profit who can make? Pure oligopolist, pure monopolist, pure duopolist, none of these. Who can make pure profit in the long run? It's a very easy question. We are talking about blocked entry. So many key terms are given to you in this question. Tell me, what will be the answer of this question? Okay, very good, very good. So it will be pure monopolist. It will be pure monopolist who will be associated with pure profit due to block entry in the long run. Very nice, very nice, excellent. So that was all for today's session, and I would suggest you all to prepare in this manner for your upcoming UGC NET examination. And if you need any help, we are here. We are always there to help you all out. You can definitely check our classes, you can definitely interact with us, you have to definitely attend our classes daily, this YouTube live session daily at 7 p.m. Tomorrow again we will meet with another topic, and again we'll be discussing many important questions related to your economics. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. If you have to ask anything, then you can ask, otherwise I'm just going to. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. You can reach out to us or you can chat with us on WhatsApp. The details are provided to you. The number is given to you pinned in the comments. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.